Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an extra small button using the KendoUI library. For this example, I have a MVC project. This is the project, and I've imported the KendoUI library. This is the free version, and it is in content the content folder. Okay, I created this folder with all the elements for the KendoUI library. Okay, this the JS, share, src, styles, and vsdoc. All those files are necessary to create all those effects for the UI. Now, to see how to import the library in code, we have to go to the share folder and the layout file. And as you can see, is using these lines that are pointing to the Kendo folder, and they are using all the files and functionalities that Kendo needs to work. And now I'm going to run this application. It is using the MVC template, an MVC template, and I'm going to work on this page. Okay, the about page, just this part. Don't pay attention to this message. Just pay attention to this part. Okay, I have an anchor element here. It represents a kind of file name, and beside this, there is a button. Okay, as you can see, this is a standard button. This is a medium-sized button, and maybe it's necessary to create something smaller because the requirement tells you that you need something smaller and maybe with just an image, not a word. Okay, and now let's see uh, the code for this front end. This is the anchor that represents this. It's the file one, and for the button we have the button tag, and it has uh, some classes. For example, the K button medium class, it represents the size of the button, and these two classes are um, given the appearance of the button. Okay, to have this effect. Now, if you want to have something smaller, extra small, we have two alternatives. The first one is using an anchor, and I'm going to comment this code, and I'm going to use Spart. This is an anchor that is going to use some classes to give the button appearance. Okay, but something important is that we are going to exclude. We are not going to use this class. Okay, we are going to use the K button. The K button rounded is going to give the appearance of a curve or a round button, and this is the button solid, and well, these two classes are going to give the appearance of the button. And okay, I have an event here that is going to call a method that is going to to show message, simple alert with a hello message. And in addition, I'm going to use this span tag that is going to use a class. This class is going to show an icon. Okay, this icon is going to be a close it is going to be an X. Okay. Now let's refresh this and let's see the result. We are here. Okay, I'm going to refresh, and as you can see, we have a smaller button. Okay. Uh, well, it occupied less space and is a little elegant. Okay. Now I'm going to click this, and we have the hello message. Now, this is the first option. Now I'm going to comment this. Let's see the second option. It's going to be a button tag. Okay, using the same classes. Okay, without using this class. Now, it's possible to change this icon, changing the description for this class. Something more appropriate for this would be a delete icon. Now I'm going to refresh, and as you can see, we have something appropriate for a delete button. And for example, if this is a file, you can click here and to disappear this description, or maybe if this line would represent a grid record in a table, you can remove that record with this icon. Okay. I can do the same thing with the anchor. I'm going to remove the command. Now we're going to have two buttons, and as you can see, everything occupy less space. Now, if it would be a record, we would be able to change this. For example, add, or maybe edit, if you want to edit a record, and the delete button. So we are going to have two small buttons, and we're going to be able to modify the record with this button and to remove the record with this button. Now, in the same way, I can apply the onClick event for this. Okay, let's check this. And I'm going to be able to execute the hello message, to show the hello message using both buttons. Okay, this is a way to create small buttons using the KendoUI library. Thank you.